Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use affiliate marketing for beginners in 2022. Now, I've been making six figures every year for the last 3 years, all from affiliate marketing, and it is my absolute favorite way to make money online. Now, I'm not going to make it seem like I'm a dummy or anything, but I honestly feel like if I can do it, anybody can. So in today's video, we are going to talk about what affiliate marketing is, the different ways you can make money with affiliate marketing, because most people don't actually show you how to do it, but I'm going to show you how to do it, and a little known tip that can help you avoid giving your social security number away. Because when you sign up for different affiliate programs, they're going to ask you for your social security number for tax purposes. And if you're anything like me, I do not feel comfortable giving anyone my social security number. So I'm going to show you how to avoid that at the end of this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So the first question is, what is affiliate marketing? Now, in a nutshell, for even having an understanding of why it even exists, it's so companies can make money. Now, businesses, they create different products or services, but now they actually need to sell it. And the internet is so crowded with so many different products, they offer people like you and me a percentage of the sale or in a referral fee if we can get people to buy their products or services. So it's like you're a salesperson. This has to be done online so the company can actually track and make sure that that customer's purchase came from you recommending it. Let me give you an example of a way you could use it. So say, for example, you like the way this video looks and you say, hey, Whit, what kind of camera are you using? Before I actually tell you that it's a Canon 90D, I'm going to see if they have an affiliate program. So when I tell you what kind of camera I use, I'm just going to give you my referral link and say, hey, I use this one. So if you end up making a purchase, I get to earn a percentage of that sale. It is a total win-win. I get to help you and I get paid for it. Now let me show you how I will find out if Canon actually has an affiliate program and how I will go about applying for it. Now there are only two ways I use when I'm trying to find out if a company has an affiliate program. The first thing I would do is I would put Canon plus affiliate program, and it should be at least in the top 2 search results. So you see right here, Canon affiliate program, I'll click right on that to see what is their affiliate program and if I could apply for it. Or I would just go to their website, canon.com, and then I would scroll all the way to the bottom to see if they have an affiliate program in their footer links. And I see right here that they do, so I'll just go ahead and click on that. So those are the 2 ways I would go about doing that. And then right here, you can just see what's all involved in their affiliate program, just to give you an idea what's involved. And this is where you can apply. Now I see that they are a part of a huge affiliate network, CJ Affiliate Publisher. So what I would do is go to apply now. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do this. I already have an account with CJ Publishing, so I'm going to go ahead and just log in. Now I have a couple of products in here that I do promote, but if I want to sign up to Canon's program, I'm going to go over here to advertisers, and then I'm going to put in Canon to search for their company, and I'm going to click that right there, go to search. Now this is Canon's program right here. I can read the details here, and I can just go ahead right here and apply to their program. Now keep in mind, I already have an account, so I have put in my information about my website, how I get traffic to my website, and all that information. So this is something that you're going to need to do on your own, put in your own personal information. But once you just read through this right here, you can go ahead and accept and apply, and they will get back to you on whether you are accepted into their program or not. Now I'm going to tell you guys that I have been denied by Canon like 2 years ago when I did apply. So I'm going to show you how I was able to get around that. And how I did it was by using Amazon, because Amazon accepts everyone, and I love the Amazon affiliate program, except when they slash their commission rates to almost nothing. But I still use Amazon because almost everyone uses Amazon all the time to make purchases, because if you're a Prime member, you'll get your stuff in like a day or 2, or now it's like overnight. So it's really cool. So I know that even though they have cut their commission rates, I still want to make at least some money. So I'm going to still use the Amazon affiliate program, because most people are going to use Amazon when they make a purchase. And I want to get a referral fee from that. So let me show you how I would do it. Before I show you how I'm going to actually get my affiliate link through Amazon, I did a whole entire video that talks about the Amazon affiliate program. I highly recommend you guys check that out first, just to have an understanding of what I'm doing. So I'm going to quickly show you how I'm going to do this, and it'll make more sense if you watch that video first. All right. So what I'm going to do first is I want to just put in Canon 90D. And then I'm going to look for a camera that has good reviews. And this one is really good right here. So I'll probably click on this one. And this is what I have called SiteStripe to get my affiliate links. Now, I talked about that in that video, so I highly recommend you guys check that out. But basically, all I have to do is now that this is the camera that I use and this is the one that I want to give to you, if you want to know what kind of camera I use, I'm just going to go here to text and get my affiliate link, and that's it. So if I'm going to copy and paste this, I'm going to give this to you or whoever's asking on what kind of camera I'm having. And if they use that link and purchase that camera within 24 hours, I'm going to get a commission on that sale. And why I always talk about why I love the Amazon affiliate program is because if anyone adds anything else to their cart that's not related to a camera, I get a commission on all those purchases too. You know, it's really cool using the Amazon affiliate program. So I highly recommend using Amazon as a great way to make money through affiliate marketing. Now, I'm going to share with you guys that in the beginning when I was applying for different affiliate programs, I did get denied a lot. But I just used that as motivation. I responded to those rejection emails and I asked them why, so I could find out what I needed to do to get accepted into their programs so I can have more ways to make money through affiliate marketing. Here's another way to consider by using social media, even if you have a small following. So what I recommend you do first is think about yourself. What are some things you like to do? For example, if you're a stay-at-home mom and you're with the kids all day, why not document that if you're comfortable using social media, using platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube to show your mom hacks or just mom life and promote the different things that you have without seeming salesy. Like I bought my son this little thing right here for Christmas and it was honestly one of his favorite Christmas gifts. So if you had something like this, you could just post a picture of your kid and say, oh my gosh, my kid loved this. This was his favorite Christmas gift. You know, you want to only say stuff that's true because you want to build trust with your viewers. Now, the trick is you don't ever want to actually mention what the toy is or the name of it because you want people to ask you, oh, what is that? Or where did you get it from? And when they do, you can say, hey, yeah, a couple of people have asked me. I just added the link to my profile if you want to just go ahead and check it out. And that way you can drive them to your link tree, which I'm going to show you in a second how you can do if you use Instagram or TikTok. And this is a way that you can get credit through your affiliate links if you have a small following and you don't have those swipe up features. Let me show you really quickly. All right, so I'm going to go to Linktree, log in. All right, so this is my Linktree right here. And what I want to do is actually just go ahead and put that toy in here. So just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just add this link right here, but it could be any link that you choose. So I want to go to Linktree. And then I'm going to change the title to my son's favorite Christmas gift. And then I'm going to put the URL right here. I'm going to just copy and paste that. And you can see that it's going to appear right here. So anybody can just go ahead and click on this. So if anybody clicks on that, it's going to take them directly to the toy that I'm promoting or that I was saying that my son loves so much. If they click on that and make a purchase, I earn a commission from that. And you can update this and change out these links all the time. So this is definitely a way that you can use social media, even if you have a small following, on how to use affiliate marketing. Now, another way to use affiliate marketing is through YouTube. Now, I know everyone does not want to start a YouTube channel, but I'm going to at least show you how it works so you have an understanding and an idea to see maybe if this is something that you want to do. And then I'm going to show you a way that does not include showing your face, and it's how I make the most money. Okay, now with YouTube. Now, even if you don't know what to start a channel on, I recommend just doing some research on things that you like and see if you can find a question that you can answer through your video so it can rank in the search results on YouTube. YouTube is the second most used search engine, and people are always using YouTube as a way to search for things that they are looking for. This may not make a lot of sense right now, but I'm going to show you an example because I've done videos on Instacart, DoorDash, Amazon Flex, and I have never done any of those jobs. I just interview others that did, and I share all the details from that interview to help new drivers out. Now, I say that in the video, so I'm being honest that I've never actually done this before, but those videos have done very well. For example, if you look in the search results for Amazon Flex driver review, you're going to find my video. Same as Instacart shopper review. Now, I don't know how long these videos are going to actually last in the search results, but I'm going to ride this wave as long as I can. And if they drop in the search results, I'm just going to do another video on these because these are making me a great amount of money because I am stuck in the search results. And because people are always looking up different things on YouTube, I'm always getting views to my videos, and I'm always making money because I offer different products and services in my videos, and I also make money through ads. So I'm just getting this thing rolling on autopilot, and I still have a small following. Now, let me give you an example on how you can do this if you don't know what kind of channel you want to do, but you just want to get started. Now, you can start out by just seeing if there are any how-to type of videos that you could do. Because usually when you're doing how-to videos, there are steps involved. And if a step is involved where you need to buy something, that is a great affiliate opportunity because that person needs to buy something to get to the next step. And since they're using your video as an instruction on how to do it, they're probably just going to click on your referral link, click on the product that you're recommending they need for the next step, make that purchase, and then, move along to go to finish whatever the how-to video is about. So let me show you an example. All right, so when you're just doing research, you can just go right here and go to how to. And YouTube is gonna auto-suggest things that are very popular right now going in the search results. So they're gonna try and finish your question before you even get done typing. So you can see it says things like how to draw, how to get the foundation skin for it. Okay, different stuff. But what I would do is I would just start by just doing research by just doing how to A. And just put in the letter A. I'm going to read through here to see if there are any type of videos that I would want to do that might be a good affiliate opportunity. Now, I did a little research before I prepared for this video, and I found that when I was going to how to, and I just put in the letter J, I found how to journal. And I use this tool that I'm going to put in the description below that shows me the monthly search volume for these questions every single month. And you can see that it's 14,800 people search for how to journal every single month. So I think this is a good affiliate opportunity. So let me go to how to journal. Now, I also use this tool that lets me know if a channel like mine can actually rank for something like this. So for example, I'm going to go down here and go to click for weighted because I want to see, can I actually rank in the search results for this? And let's see what it says. It says poor. So it says that the search volume is really good, but the competition is poor. So I should not do a video on this. But it also gives me some other related searches that I could probably rank for. So I want to click on how to journal for self-growth. And let's see what the score gives me. And they're saying it's excellent. So they're saying that it's an excellent search volume and that the competition is very good. So probably a channel like mine could rank for this. And when you see 100 out of 100, that is very good. So I would probably do a video on how to journal for self-growth. And what I would do, I would actually buy a journal. I would do all my research on journaling just to familiarize myself with journaling. And I would do a great value-packed video on how to journal for self-growth. And then I would post it on YouTube. And in the video, I would mention how great of a journal it is that I'm using and all just the pros and why it's so great. And on that, I will put in the description below if you want to use the same one that I have. So if anyone clicks on your recommended journal and purchases it, you're going to make money off of that sale. But you want to make sure it's a really great journal and you want to actually help the person. See, affiliate marketing it could be good or bad. There are some people here just trying to make a quick buck, but I really care about my viewers and I only want to promote products and services that have worked for me personally or for people that I know has worked for them. I build trust in all my videos so the person watching can feel confident that they are making the right decision, making a purchase based off of my recommendation. Now, this is how I make money on autopilot by getting stuck in the search results and having people watch my videos all the time. All right, next, I'm going to show you my favorite way to make money through affiliate marketing that doesn't require showing your face at all. And then I'm going to show you how to avoid using your social security number. Okay, so the way that I make the most money through affiliate marketing is from my blog. So just how I use the YouTube search results, I do the same thing for Google. I find out what questions people are searching for on Google, and I use this tool to see if I could actually rank for these different questions that people are asking for. I then write an article answering their question in a way that I know will rank on Google. Now, for time's sake, I just did a video on how I would start a blog in 2022 that will show you exactly how I make money through my website. So I highly recommend just checking that out for my strategy and how I was able to build a six-figure business through affiliate marketing and how you can do the same. My blog has completely changed my life. And like I said, if I can do this with no experience, never understanding how to even create a website or go through a course, so can you. Okay, now to the part on how to avoid using your social security number. This is only for U.S. citizens. I'm sorry for all of those who do not live in the U.S. I'm not sure what those policies are for where you live. I can only speak to the U.S. because this is where I live and this is what I've been able to do. Okay, so I want to go to irs.gov. And then I'm going to go down to apply for an employee ID number, EIN. And just so you guys know, this is only open from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But basically all you have to do is you just go to apply online now. They are going to auto-populate you your own unique EIN number. So whenever you are filling out an affiliate program and they ask for your social security number, you're going to just give your EIN number the government gave you. So just so you guys know, this is going to be a safe way to just use. You do not have to put in your personal information by giving your social security number away when you are filling out several affiliate applications. Now, I could go on and on about affiliate marketing, but I think this was just good enough to get you started as a beginner. So do you guys have any questions? Let me know in the comment section below. I am happy to answer them. And if you want to see how I will build a website today in 2022 and turn it into a 6-figure website, go ahead and watch that video right now. And I think it's a great video for you to fully understand how I'm able to do it and how you can too. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.